The crypto market is entering a critical phase, with major shifts in XRP holdings and growing institutional adoption. Coinbase has cleared its XRP cold wallets, RLUSD is gaining traction, and tokenized assets are starting to reshape the financial landscape. Today, we break down what's happening, why it matters, and what investors should watch for in the months ahead. 1. Coinbase XRP holdings. The big move as of September 24, 2025. Coinbase has 0 XRP in cold storage. Timeline of changes. June, nearly 970 million XRP in cold wallets, $2.8.2.9b. Early June, XRP moved from cold storage to hot wallets, then to external addresses such as Binance, OTC desks, and institutional custodians. Early September, holdings dropped 90% to 165 million XRP across 6 to 10 public wallets. Mid to late September, only 32 million XRP remained in 2 wallets. Sep 24, cold wallet balances reached 0. Market implication. This indicates a large-scale redistribution of XRP from public exchange wallets to private institutional hands. Possible reasons for the outflows: transfers to private custodian wallets with non-public addresses. OTC trades as institutions prepare for upcoming XRP ETFs. Coinbase may have set up new cold wallets for privacy or operational reasons. Cross-exchange transfers to leverage dormant XRP liquidity efficiently. 2. Key dates and regulatory watch. October 18, 2025. SEC will review the Grayscale spot XRP filing. Potential outcome: approval could trigger a supply shock, reducing XRP availability on exchanges and increasing buying pressure. 3. Historical seasonal trends. Why Q4 matters historically. The final 3 months of the year have been the most profitable for crypto. October, average plus 29% Bitcoin gains, bullish 83% of the time. November, average plus 36% gains, bullish 75% of the time. December, average plus 10 to 20% gains, bullish 70% of the time. Investor insight: seasonal trends combined with potential XRP supply constraints could lead to strong upward momentum for both Bitcoin and altcoins in Q4 2025. 4. RLUSD and institutional adoption. BlackRock partnership. RLUSD is being used as a stablecoin to onboard institutions onto the XRP ledger. Key points from Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. RLUSD strengthens the XRP ledger instead of competing with XRP. It provides liquidity to institutions without exposing them to volatility. Benefits of RLUSD: faster, cheaper settlements through the XRP ledger. Institutional grade compliance for regulated entities. Positioned as the preferred stablecoin for institutional use, while USDC remains dominant in retail markets. 5. Tokenized assets, a massive growth opportunity. Current market, $600 million in tokenized assets. Forecast, growth to $19 trillion by 2033. Advantages: instant settlement and global accessibility. Fractional ownership for broader participation. Can be used as collateral and swapped between assets instantly, for example, Alphabet to Tesla. Significance: tokenized assets represent a major evolution of traditional finance, bridging blockchain and conventional markets. 6. Grayscale XLM ETF filing. Grayscale has filed for an XLM ETF in the US, indicating institutional interest in altcoins beyond XRP. This signals potential capital inflows for XLM, Cardano, Stellar, Chainlink, and AVAX during the upcoming Altseason. 7. Conclusion and market outlook. Coinbase XRP wallets are now empty, creating a potential supply shock that could support higher prices. Historical seasonal trends suggest October through December is typically bullish. RLUSD adoption is strengthening institutional access and liquidity on the XRP ledger. ETF approvals and the growth of tokenized assets are likely to drive significant market activity. Takeaway: the combination of reduced supply, institutional adoption, and seasonal momentum could create favorable conditions for Bitcoin and top altcoins, offering potential opportunities for informed investors in Q4 2025.